Well, what is the newest trend in ranges at a home? It is air fry. And we're lucky enough to have a range right here with an air fry button. So what does it do and why do you need it? Let's find out. You know, countertop air fryers have been around for a few years now, and they're extremely popular. I have one at home and I use it all the time. So how does that differ from a full-size range with an air fry feature? Well, they work surprisingly similar. What we have back here is a convection fan. And that fan, when it's running in normal convection mode, actually is drawing air in. So it's pulling the air from the cavity in through the fan, past the heating element, and then typically the air comes out of baffles near the front. And what that does in convection mode is it eliminates hot spots and has things cook more evenly and more quickly as well. It's a wonderful feature, and I actually recommend using convection oven at all times, with the exception if you're cooking something extremely delicate like angel food cake. Well, how does air fry differ? That's very simple. It just reverses the operation. What an air fry feature on a full-size oven does is that it blows the air out as opposed to pulling it in. So you'll set your oven rack right in front of the fan. A lot of these ranges actually will tell you which rack to use. And you just turn on the air fry feature. It will oftentimes recommend 450 degree heat, and it's blowing that hot air directly onto the food, crisping up food. Is it as good as a deep fryer? I don't think so. I love deep fried food. You can't keep me away from French fries, but this is second best and is a healthier option. So I find that this works a little less efficiently than the countertop air fryer. And the reason being is the countertop air fryer is a very small vessel. If you look, I mean, it's just big enough for a couple of dinosaur chicken nuggets and a handful of French fries, and that's it. And doesn't really need to preheat. You turn that thing on and it heats up nearly instantaneously. But if you look inside the inner workings of a countertop air fryer, it is indeed a mini convection oven. It has a fan, it has a heating element, the thing heats up, it blows hot air on the food, and you get that nice crispiness. This emulates this pretty well. I gotta tell you, if I was gonna be buying a new range, I personally would look for one with the air fry feature, because I think it's a notable upgrade, and because they're using technology that already exists with convection fans, it's something that all the manufacturers that make convection ovens are realizing it's an easy upgrade that people really appreciate. A lot of air fry ovens will come with an accessory like this, or it's an added feature you can find here at Appliance Factory or online, or sometimes comes with the oven. This basket's really critical to getting the most out of an air fryer in a full-size range. And of course, the countertop air fryer, because they work so fast, what I do at home is I'll air fry my chicken fingers, and then I hold them warm in my full-size oven, then I do the French fries. And if you haven't tried chocolate cake in a countertop air fryer, well, I gotta tell you, it comes out really well. Nice and crispy on the top, ooey gooey in the center. I make it in a ramekin, it's so good, it's delicious. Oh, I love air fryers. So is an air fryer right for you? Well, I gotta tell you, when it comes time for me to upgrade my range, I'm gonna be getting one with an air fry feature. And I can't wait to enjoy more chicken dinosaurs each and every time I turn on the oven. This is Chef Mark. As always, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.